Hey, so what's going on everyone? A quick unboxing video here to share with all of you. This is my new Apple iPad Pro. This is of course the 2021 model with the M1 processor, 12.9 inch. This one also is the 1TB Wi-Fi and cellular version in the space gray color, which is my favorite color. I went ahead and chose specifically the 1TB version because if you get anything smaller than 1TB, you're only getting 8 gigs of RAM. So 1TB and higher, you're getting 16 gigs of RAM. And I basically wanted to make sure I had all available, like whatever the highest amount was, so I can do video editing with like LumaFusion, Adobe Premiere Rush, whatever I'm going to be, using. Just wanted to make sure I had the highest capacity. I got the regular old iPad Pro paperwork, the SIM card little tool, and the Apple stickers. This one comes with a 20-watt power adapter. You also get your charging cable with it here, and I believe that's about 3 feet long for your display port and charging. This is just a little package that the 5G SIM card came in. And finally on to the tablet itself. I always love unpacking Apple products because they are always packaged so nice. And just look at that thing, the color space gray, it is just awesome. If you take a look down at the bottom there, that is the SIM card tray slot. Going around, you got your up and down volume buttons there, your power button at the top, 2 speakers, and then 2 microphones there in the middle. You also have one little microphone right there on the side. They're very hard to see. You have 2 speakers on the bottom, and of course your charging and display port there. And on the back of the camera, there's also another microphone. There are 5 microphones on this, so you can kind of see how it's raised up there. The camera has kind of got a bump to it. You want to make sure that you get yourself a nice case. Now this one here is the Smart Folio from Apple. It works as a front and back cover, but it does not protect that camera back there very well at all. So I just wanted to give you a little look at that, but it's a very nice case. It just only offers front and back protection. I wanted to jump over here and show you how quick this thing is with some of the apps. So this is Adobe Premiere Rush, and as you can see, it is really fast and super buttery smooth, I guess you could say. No issues at all. My goal is to eventually be able to use this thing and do all my editing and stuff on the go and be able to sync to the cloud. Of course, I'd had to open Maps here and take a look at Apple headquarters, which someday I hope to actually visit, but until then, I guess I will just use Maps to go check it out. But yeah, this is so super quick and smooth. You can see like how quick and zooming in and out, and absolutely no stuttering, nothing. It's just super smooth. I don't have any audio on this particular clip here, but this is just me banging the drums in GarageBand, kind of messing around with it, just checking how responsive it is. Works really well. And then on the home screen here, I was just kind of messing around with the control center there, the notifications. I just love how smooth everything is. I actually went in my Twitter account here on the home feed here, and I just wanted to show you guys how quick. Like, I'm scrubbing back and forth. Like, I'm actually scrolling as fast as I can, and it is just super smooth. I haven't had a chance to set everything up quite yet, but here's a look at iCloud Drive and Documents. And when I went into the Photos app, you can see how quickly I can scroll through all the photos, and again, lightning fast. This one's not cheap. It's about $2,000, but I highly recommend it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.